Hey everyone, I have a confession to make. My desk typically looks like a train wreck, and I have been wanting a monitor desk shelf for a long time, and I finally found one that I liked, that I could use with my hobby of 3D printing. Let me show you what I printed. All right, so here it is. This is a modular, let me zoom out a little bit, a modular monitor desk shelf. You can see it's made with these wooden dowels. You purchase those at your local hardware store, and then you print all of the pieces to make the desk shelf. So I've got a behind this, got my charger for my phone. I've got a place to put my iPad here. I actually designed this one modifying the charger mount to put my light switch here. You can turn the light on, turn the light off, holds it there so it doesn't sit up on my desk and take up space. I had this little mod for putting my glasses on, one here for the charger for my watch. Over here I've got shelves. Let me see if I can zoom out here. Some shelves here. I've got over here, I've got drawers that I made. These drawers have my logo on it, and this one has a like and a subscribe underneath it. Just really cool stuff. And then, of course, headphone stand here. Really easy to snap on and off of the wooden dowels. And then underneath my laptop, I have here a laptop stand. And we'll talk more about that laptop stand later, because I had a laptop stand. Actually, it's still there. I didn't take it off yet. You zoom in here underneath my shelf. Oh, this is in the way. Let me move this. You can see there on the left and the right a place I had my laptop, but that one on the left was starting to melt and warp because the laptop got so hot. So about the time I realized I was going to have to come up with a different option there, PCBway contacted me about doing a collaboration with them, and I had them print a part for me for this laptop stand, and I'll show you some more about that later. But first, have a look at how it all came together. So I was placing the laptop on these two little shelf lips here. Let's see. And there. This one, that laptop just gets so hot. This one was starting to melt and is at an angle. So I decided to add this corner to the very long monitor shelf. Now we're going to add a stand there for the laptop and continue using it as an extended monitor. I kind of like having just a little bit more real estate to work with. And that brings us to the sponsor of today's video, PCBway. While they're widely known for high-quality custom PCBs, their manufacturing services go way beyond circuit boards. They offer fast, precise, rapid prototyping, including 3D printing, CNC machining, and sheet metal fabrication. I actually used PCBway to produce one of the parts in this project, and the quality and the turnaround time were fantastic. Check out the link in the description below to get started on your next project. The ordering process was very easy. All I had to do was upload my file, then select the quantity that I wanted. I choose the type of filament that I was going to have it made in, and then the color and any other little details. Then I could submit for a quote, wait for the quote to come in, and proceed to checkout. That's it. Then it arrived. Time to open. This is the part that PCBway offered to print for me. I can print nylon glass fiber on my H2S, but I never have before, so I thought this would be a good opportunity. They could print this for me. It's going to be a much higher heat resistance, and this would work out for both of us. And it came out fantastic. That ought to do it. Just need a little bit of heat persuasion. All right, let's see if we can get this installed. As you can see here, we've got this little clip here that's going to snap right onto our wooden dowel rods. I think I want it all the way out and probably centered, so we'll try to put it right here and adjust it if we need to. And as you can see, this piece is going to slide right on top of the round plate there, hold our laptop. This is made from nylon glass fiber, except for these little tips here. These are just basic PLA, but this is much higher heat resistance, so hoping this will work out better than my last attempt. I think I like it just the way it is here. It fits on there great. That looks good. So as you can see, here's our plate mounted. So that's the desk shelf, start to finish. Full credit for the design goes to Workspace Hero. I'll put his link in the description below. He has a catalog of add-ons. Some are his designs, some are community designs. That's one of the things I love about this desk shelf. I'm constantly going back and looking at the things that I can print to put on here. Fantastic. And so far, no extra cost. All of the extra add-ons, they have been completely free and included with the cost of the files for the shelf. And thanks again to PCBway for printing this laptop stand for me. They provided it completely free and it was exactly what I needed. I'll drop their link in the description below as well as a referral link for me in there. I appreciate it if you use that. That'd be awesome. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. I've got more builds coming. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.